Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are genius, then before watching the video, subscribe, comment of this question. But if you are student, then watch complete video. I can solve this question step by step. So guys, in PEMDAS we can know that multiplication have higher priority than other operation. So in this expression we can solve before multiplication. So I can write here 6 minus 6 times 6, which is equal to 36 minus 6. Okay guys, now in next step, 6 minus 36 is minus 30 minus 6. Now again minus 30 and minus 6 equal to minus 36. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.
अर्ज किया है
निशाद
मेरा मयार नहीं मिलता, मैं आवारा नहीं फिरता। मेरा मयार नहीं मिलता, मैं आवारा नहीं फिरता। मुझे सोच के खोना मैं दोबारा नहीं मिलता।